Dear student, today we start chapter 7, direct and inverse variation. First you know variation. For two related quantities, the change in the value of second quantity when the value of the first quantity changes is called a variation. यदि दो रिलेटेड क्वांटिटीज़ हो और उनमें से एक की वैल्यू यदि चेंज किया जाए तो दूसरे की वैल्यू भी चेंज हो जाती है, ऐसे क्वांटिटीज़ को हम वेरिएशन में है कहेंगे. एग्जाम्पल, नंबर ऑफ पेन्स एंड देयर कॉस्ट. इफ नंबर ऑफ पेन इज 2, देयर कॉस्ट 10. इफ नंबर ऑफ पेन इज 1, देयर कॉस्ट 5. If number of pens 5, their cost 25. नंबर ऑफ पेन्स की वैल्यू चेंज करने से उसके कास्ट भी चेंज हो जा रहा है. That means number of pens and cost are in variation. There are two types of variation: direct variation and inverse variation. Today we are discuss only direct variation. Direct variation. When two quantities are related to each other such that on increasing or decreasing the value of one quantity, the value of other increase or decreases in the same ratio, then they are in direct variation. जब टू क्वांटिटीज रिलेटेड हों तो उनमें से यदि एक का वैल्यू इंक्रीज किया जाए, सेकेंड भी इंक्रीज हो जाए, डिक्रीज किया जाए तो सेकेंड की वैल्यू भी डिक्रीज हो जाए, तो ऐसे वेरिएशंस को डायरेक्ट वेरिएशन कहेंगे. एग्जाम्पल, टाइम इन आवर्स, सपोज x, एंड डिस्टेंस कवर्ड इन किलोमीटर y. टाइम टेकन 2 hour, डिस्टेंस कवर्ड इज 20 किलोमीटर. टाइम टेकन इज 1 hour, distance covered is 10 kilometer. Time 4 hours, distance covered is 40 kilometer. Time taken 8 hours, distance covered is 80 kilometer. इन रिलेशंस में देखिए, x की वैल्यू को यदि हम डिक्रीज कर रहे हैं तो y की वैल्यू भी डिक्रीज हो जा रही है. x की वैल्यू को यदि हम इंक्रीज कर रहे हैं तो y की वैल्यू भी इंक्रीज हो रही है. सिर्फ डिक्रीज करने से डिक्रीज या इंक्रीज करने से इंक्रीज नहीं हो रहा है, सेम रेशो में हो रहा है. फॉर एग्जांपल, 2 हाफ कर रहे हैं, 1 हो रहा है, तो 20 का हाफ 10. टाइम को 4 टाइम्स किए तो डिस्टेंस भी क्या हो गया, 4 टाइम्स. टाइम को डबल किए, डिस्टेंस भी क्या हो गया, डबल. मतलब फर्स्ट में जैसा चेंजेस हो रहा है, जस्ट सेम रेशो में सेकेंड भी चेंजेस हो रहा है. अगर इस तरह का रिलेशन है तो इसे हम डायरेक्ट वेरिएशन कहेंगे. नाउ सी रेशियो ऑफ x एंड y. 2/20. 2/20 both are divisible by 2, so we divide this number by 2. We get 1/10. Ratio 1/10. Divisible by 4, 1/10. 1/10. We get ratio of x and y are constant. Suppose this is x1, y1, x2, x3, x4, y1, y2, y3, y4, then x1 upon y1 is equal to x2 upon y2 equal to x3 upon y3 and so on. If only two quantities are given, then x1 upon y1 is equal to x2 upon y2. And this is the relation for direct variation. We use formula x1 y1 is equal to x2 y2 for direct variation. Exercise 7.1. In the following tables are x and y are in direct variation. Question started from R helping verb. Answer yes or no. Find the value of the constant ratio also. Table 1. X 7, y 21, 9, 27, 13, 39. Value of x is increased, then value of y is also increased. Now the ratio of x and y 7, 21 both are divisible by 7. We get 1 and 3. 9, 27 1 and 3. 13, 39 1, 3. 21, 63 1, 3. 25, 75 1, 3. Ratio of x and y are constant, therefore they are in direct variation and constant ratio is 1 upon 3. Table 2. Value of x is increased, then value of y is also increased. Ratio of x and y 2.5, 2.5 both are same number divisible by 2.5. We get 1 ratio 1 ratio 1 ratio 1. So in table 2 x and y are in direct variation and constant ratio is 1:1. Table 3. Value of x is increased 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 but value of y is decrease and increase. So in table 3 x and y are not in direct variation. Fourth, value of x 1 increase 2 and value of y 2 decrease 1. So in table 4 x and y are not in direct variation. Question number 8. The cost of 2 dozen oranges in rupees 48. Find the cost of 108 oranges. Solution 8. 2 dozen means 2 multiplied by 12, 24. Here two quantities. First, number of oranges, and second, their cost. Number of orange 2 dozen, that means 24, and their cost is 48. And second case, number of oranges is 108 and their cost unknown. Suppose cost of 108 oranges is x. If number of oranges is more, their cost will more, and number of oranges is less, then their cost will less. So number of orange and their cost are in direct variation. Therefore, x1 upon y1 is equal to x2 upon y2. First number x, x1, x2, second y, y1, y2. 24 upon 48 is equal to 108 upon x. cross 24 multiplied by x is equal to 108 multiply 48. Now transpose 24 into right side. X 108 multiplied by 48 upon 24. 24 1 the 24, 24 2 the 48. X equal to 108 multiplied by 2. X equal to 260. Thus, cost of 108 orange is rupees 260. Question number 13. Namrata takes 1225 steps to cover a distance of 100 meter. How much distance will she cover in 2835 steps? Solution 13. Here two quantities. First, number of steps, and second, distance covered. Number of steps 1225, covered distance is 100, and steps 2835, and distance covered is unknown. Suppose distance covered is x. Number of steps and covered distance are in direct variation. Therefore, x1 upon y1 is equal to x2 upon y2. 1225 upon 100 is equal to 2835 upon x. 1225 cross multiply x, and 2835 multiply 100. Transpose 1225 into right side. Divisible by 25. 25 4 100 and 2 2 5 25 9 is 225. 4 is 7 7 is 49. 7 4 is 28. Next number 3. 3 is less than 7, so 7 0 is 0. Next number 5. 3 5 35. 7 5 is 35. X equal to 405 multiplied by 4 upon 7. X equal to 405 multiplied by 4 is 1620 upon 7. Now we divide 1620 by 7. 7 2 is 14, 2 2 22, 7 3 is 21, 1 0 10, 7 1 जा 7, 3, next decimal 0, 30, 4 जा and 2 जा. Namrata covers 231.42 meters in 2835 steps. Question number 16. A man can read 180 words in 1 minute. How much time will it take him to read 768 words? Solution number 16. One minute. 1 minute, that means 60 seconds. Here two quantities, first time and second number of words. Time in second. 1 minute means 60 second and number of words in 60 second 180 words. And how much time taken to read 768 words? 768 words. Suppose time taken is x second. More times man can read more words and less time man can read less word. Time taken and read the number of words are in direct variation. Therefore, x1 upon y1 is equal to x2 upon y2. This implies 60 upon 180 is equal to x upon 768. 60 upon 180. Transpose 768 to left side. X. 0, 0 cancel. 6, 1 ja 6 and 6 3 ja 18. 3 1 ja 3. 3 2 ja 6. 1 6 16. 3 5 ja 15. 1 8 18. 6 ja. So x equal to 256. Convert 250 second into minute. 256. 1 minute has 60 seconds, so divided by 60. 256 divided by 60. 64 ja 240. X equal to 4, 16 upon 60. X equal to 4 divisible by 4, 4 upon 15 minutes. Hence, thanks for watching my video.